Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. So hope everyone is fine. On that note, let's start this video. So this is week 1 assignment of the course the joy of computing using Python. So for the past 5 years we are providing the solutions for the various NPTEL courses. So with that experience we have also prepared the exam preparation MCQs guys. So the super savings pack, here you will get a PDF Google Drive access link. So there will be total number of 125 MCQs completely based on NPTEL syllabus, and the price is 250 rupees only guys. So the validity will be till the exam day and up. So for each person it will be, you will get 125 MCQs and the price is 250 rupees guys. So there is high topic coverage and search option is also available, and it is also easy to revise because it is a PDF, right? So for the course joy of computing using Python, so we have providing this pack guys. With 5 years of NPTEL experience we have provided this guys. So this is the email ID you have to mail if you want the PDF pack. So I will give the same email ID in the description box as well as in the comment section guys. Now let's get back to the syllabus of the first assignment. So already many students have taken our PDF packs for the past years guys. So for this year also I will hope you will take this pack and it will really helpful for you in the preparation of the final exam guys. So now let's get back to the solutions. So this is week 1 assignment of the joy of computing using Python course. So I hope almost all solutions are correct. So please watch the video till the end without skipping guys. So please definitely like the video and share that with your friends in the WhatsApp student groups or any social media platforms. So first question, which of the following best defines a variable in programming? So for first question, the answer is second option guys, a named storage location that can hold varying data during program execution. So now move on to second question guys. Humans easily get bored doing a repetitive job. However, computers are masters of iteration. In programming, we get a control structure that allows a set of instructions to be executed repeatedly based on a condition. It enables automating repetitive tasks by iterating through a block of code until a specific condition is met or for a defined number of times. So what is the control structure called? So the answer is very easy thing guys, it is loop, right? There is for loop, while loop, etc., right? So it is loop. Now let's move on to the third question. Third one, programming logic is different from programming language. Programming languages are many, but programming logic almost remains the same across all programming languages. So which of the following is a programming logic? So here they have given Python. Python is a programming language. C is also language. C++ is also a programming language like C. So answer is none of the above. Here they have asked about programming logic. So there is nothing logic mentioned here. So none of the above is the correct answer. Now let's move on to the fourth question guys. Fourth one, open source software, unlike proprietary software, is computer software developed through public collaborative efforts and made freely available to the public. Which of the following programming languages is or are open source? So for fourth question, so there are multiple answers guys. Java, Python, Fortran and Perl. So all these four are open source programming languages guys. They are available public in the internet, right? Now let's move on to the fifth question. Fifth one, knowing how to write a piece of code could help us get things done fast. Choose the areas where we can implement coding. So if you see physics, mathematics, economics, small scale business. So all these four areas can be related to coding, right? So we can implement coding in all these four fields, guys. So next, moving on to the sixth question. So here, this is based on Scratch. So if you have watched the or listened the lectures, you would have known this. So moving on to the sixth question here. The block of code displayed here is meant for the cat. What is the functionality of this code? So they have given the code snippet, right? So for sixth question, the answer is second option, guys. It makes the cat appear like kicking the ball. Now let's move on to the seventh question, guys. The block of code displayed here makes the cat rotate out of impact from the boomeranging ball. How many complete rotations does the cat make? So for seventh question, the answer is third option, guys. 3. Now let's move on to the eighth one. Eighth question. So friends, I hope almost all these solutions are correct. So if there are any changes to be made, if you bring them to my notice, I'll definitely update that, guys, in the comment section. So eighth one. So before moving into this eighth question, I want to once again make you clarify that. So we are providing PDF Google Drive MCQs, guys. So you will get huge number of 125 MCQs for just 250 rupees only. So for each person it will be 250 rupees, guys. The validity will be till the exam day, guys. And there is high topic coverage available. Search option is also there, and it is also easy to revise, guys. So this is the email ID you have to mail me for. So please mail me only if you want to purchase, guys. For any other doubts, please you can ask me in the comment section itself. So with 5 years of NPTEL experience, we have prepared these MCQs, guys. Next one. So for eighth question, the probable solution is option 2, guys. Sure. Now let's move on to the ninth one. Ninth question. The block of code displayed here is meant for the ball. How many loops are there in total? So for ninth question, the answer is first option, guys, 1. Now let's move on to the final question of this assessment, that is 10th one. The block of code displayed here is meant for the ball. If the value beside repeat would have been 1 instead of 2, select all the statements that explain the situation. So for 10th question, there are actually two probable solutions, guys. The first one is first option, the ball would not have returned to cat, and the other one is second option itself. Removing the loop from the code would have made no difference in the result. So these two are the probable solutions for final and 10th question, guys. So friends, these are the solutions for week 1 assignment. So hope this video helpful for you. If you feel same, please subscribe our channel. Definitely like the video and please share that with your friends in WhatsApp student groups, guys, so that it will be beneficial for other students also like you. So don't forget to take this pack, guys. 125 MCQs, 250 rupees pack. So this is the email ID. I will give the same email in the description box as well as in the comment section, guys. So that's it, guys. So keep supporting us like this to do better videos for next weeks also. So until the next video, goodbye.